Hi, I'm Tony. Welcome to Goofing Off-Road. When I bought the ZR2, I bought the recovery package from the factory, and I wanted to run through what's in it for you so you can see what you get for your money. The center of the recovery package is a 9,500 pound winch from Comeup that's been designed to fit into the winch bumper. I've never used Comeup before. We'll have to see how it does. The winch comes with this red, big, heavy hook, which I immediately switched out for a Factor 55 flat link. As you can see, the fairlead, which used to be black, has turned silver because the coating has come off. Unfortunately, neither Comeup nor the dealer will warranty this, so I'll switch it out for a new fairlead and I'll show you that in a new video. The winch also comes with this wireless controller, which is pretty neat. To use the wireless controller, you have to use the aux switches, which are an additional $295. The next thing that comes in the kit is this heavy-duty black tarp, which is actually pretty handy for laying on the ground when you're working on the vehicle. The final piece of the kit is this rebranded ARB Weekender recovery bag. This is $145 in value if you were to buy it on Amazon. In the recovery kit you get two generic 3/4 ton D-Link shackles, a nice pair of leather gloves, and you get this snatch strap which you can use to pull out a stuck vehicle. The recovery kit from the factory is a good place to start, but I think it's missing some essential items, so I've supplemented it with some additional gear. I'll leave some links to these in the description below. I've added this Factor 55 hitch link, which will give me a recovery point on the rear of the vehicle, my own pair of generic gloves. I've got a Factor 55 rope retention pulley with a soft shackle. That will allow me to redirect my winch pulls or double them up, which is really important. I've also got this static tree saver strap from Factor 55. It's important to have a static strap to put around fixed objects for winching. The dynamic strap that comes in the recovery kit is not fit for this purpose, so make sure you get a tree saver strap. That's it for the recovery kit. Is it worth 2,500 bucks? I'll leave that choice up to you. I personally think it's worth it because I've got a factory installed winch, which hopefully the dealer or the manufacturer will support if I have any problems with it. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe for more cool videos.